Welcome students. In today's video, we will learn about direct and indirect speech. Okay, so in today's video, we discuss about direct and indirect speech. प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष कथन, direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Okay, so see here, we will go some basic changes we have to do while converting from direct to indirect. Okay, so let me explain with some example. See what do you mean by the direct speech and indirect speech. So see, suppose that boy, one boy, another boy, they are talking to each other. So it's a direct speech. It's a direct speech. He is talking to him and he is talking to him. Here first person, second person. So whatever he spoke to him, when he spoke to another person, another boy, that is third person. So here he will tell him, that is indirect. That is indirect speech, means what he told to him, he will told him, but he will tell not as it is. So he will make some changes as in pronouns. Suppose what he told, what he told, like this. So this two as a direct speech, and that person tell to another as a indirect speech. Okay, now see, we'll go with some example. So first we are talking about the basic concept of direct and indirect speech. So see, there is one sentence. He said to Ram. He said to Ram, inverted comma, he is going to Pune. He is going to Pune. See, he said to Ram, he is going to Pune. So in this sentence, he, as you know, speaker. He is a speaker, and this reported verb, that said is known as a reported verb. This Ram is a listener. Is a listener. Okay, and here he is going to Pune, that is reported speech. Reported speech. So these are some element of this sentence. Okay, he as a speaker, reported verb, Ram listener, and that is spoken as a reported speech, reported words. Okay, got it? Now see the answer. This is direct speech. Now we have to convert it into indirect speech. So see here, he as it is, he said, become told, he told Ram that he was going to Pune. So students, what changes we have done here? So first we write as subject, that said convert into told. We remove these two, we don't use to again, and for joining these two clauses we use this that as a conjunction, as a coordinator. Okay, and he attaches. In this continuous present tense we change into continuous past tense. So he is as a he was. So he was is. So continuous present change into continuous past. So these changes we made here. So answer is, he told Ram that he was going to Pune. So like this we change from direct to indirect speech. Okay, so now we will see one by one. I hope you have understood this basic concept. So before this we have to need to make some changes. So first we will see the changes in tense. Means direct to indirect we have to make some changes. To see first, suppose indirect, direct speech and indirect. Okay, so we are going to change in tenses. Change in tenses. So see here, simple present change into simple past. Okay, continuous present change into continuous past. Okay, simple past we change into past perfect. Simple past into past perfect. Continuous past change into past perfect continuous tense. So these are some changes in tense, direct to indirect. And suppose future will, shall change into would. Okay, so in this way we make some changes in that tenses. Okay, I hope you have understood it. It means while making direct to indirect, the simple present change into simple past, continuous present change into continuous past, simple past change into past perfect. Like this we have to make change. Now some changes in some words. In some we can say related words. Look, just say this, that, today, that day. Today, that day. Last week, the previous week, the previous week. So like this some changes we have to make. Tomorrow, the following day, like this, today, that day. So such a changes we have to make as per the need. And some changes also about the noun, pronoun. Okay, so this is some changes. So this is the basic introduction of the direct and indirect speech. So I hope students if you like the videos, please like, comment and share. For next topics, keep watching. So we will start one by one. Thank you.